Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Happy to see you. I'm happy that you share these videos. Please continue to do so. I'm happy that you make contributions sometimes. Please continue to do so. Thank you. Today is Thursday, and every day we share the uniqueness of the day and also the uniqueness of you. Every day. Today is the day of the giver vibration, the giver. And in the East, it's called karma yoga, selfless service. It's a wide, expansive, heavier kind of energy day. Very grounded. It's a balanced day. It's a fair day. It's an equal day. And an example of a, karma yogi, a selfless server, is the great actor, comedian, Bill Murray. So while you burn some sweet, rich smelling fragrance today, some incense, maybe you put on some gold or yellow, we'll hear what Bill Murray has to say, or actually a couple of stories about his karma yoginess. One winter, Bill Murray bought a large quantity of wine to distribute as New Year's presents for local merchants and tradesmen. When he got to the bank, he went up to the drive-through window, got the attention of the teller, and then stepped out of the car, and he stuck 2 bottles of very expensive champagne into a nearby snowbank and mouthed, "Happy New Year." Then he got back into his car and drove away. In the fall 2008, Jenny Lewis, best known as a singer for the indie rock band Rilo Kiley, played the Austin City Limits Festival. In the middle of her set, she realized that Bill Murray was standing on the side, watching her perform. Despite this distraction, she finished her show successfully. The evening got weirder from there. Everyone in my band took mushrooms that night except for me, she said. The presidential election was in full swing, so the group's plan was to ingest mushrooms and then watch Barack Obama and John McCain in rhetorical combat. Me, I'm sort of tapped out on psychedelics, she remembered. So everyone disappeared, and I found myself in a golf cart with Bill Murray. Before rejoining her bandmates, she and Bill drove out onto the festival's midway, where he found a food stand selling barbecue sandwiches. He bought every last one of those barbecue sandwiches. So I rolled up to the tour bus with Bill Murray and a ton of barbecue sandwiches, and I think they probably thought they were hallucinating. And then we watched the debate, and eventually Bill Murray just disappeared into the ether. He's like that. He's like Santa, in a way. So go out and buy some barbecue sandwiches for somebody today. Go out and get them a nice bottle of wine, or whatever. Do something nice for somebody. And don't think about it. Don't think about what they could do for you. Think about what you could do for your country. And enjoy this rich, expansive day.